Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda Sims, the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. How y'all guys doing? What's up guys? What's up? Of course I'm here to teach you a line dance, step-by-step instruction. First of all, if you're in the New Orleans area and you're interested in cardio line dancing classes, please call 504-251-0674. And guys, if you're interested in dancing along to the song, I'll post it at the end of this video. Guys, I am looking forward to seeing you. I don't care if you've never been to an event, 4-day line dance weekend in New Orleans, Louisiana. It's the NOLA Southern Experience. This is my personal invite from Let's Mess It Up and myself. July 11th through the 14th, 2024. You're like, well, Linda, that ain't till next year. But we getting ready right now because you know that time flies by fast. You can book your room, and also registration opens June 1st of this year, 2023. Visit our website for all detailed information. You can register right there at our website, www.LMIUNOLA.com, and make sure you pass this information along. So beginners, where are you? Where are you? Where are you, beginners? I got a nice one for you, simple line dance for you. It's called Love Journal. It is a 4-wall dance, and I'm gonna give you step-by-step instructions. Let's go. So this line dance moves counterclockwise. It's a 4-wall dance, okay? So when you turn, you'll be here at this wall to your left, okay? And then move it around the room. So it's going to start, it's called Love Journal, okay? And it starts side, tap side, back, right, left, right, on the right, and then the left. Tap side, tap back, left, right, left. Again, on the right side, tap back, right, left, right, on the left side, and back, left, right, left. So let's do that. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, back 2, triple 3 and 4, side 5, back 6, 7, and 8. So you're doing side, back, right, left, right, tap side, back, left, right, left. Then we're going to do a rock recover. Cross mambo, right, left, move it back, triple step, and do the same thing on the left. Cross mambo, left, right, triple step. Okay, so let's add that. Side, tap, right, side, back, left, cross mambo, right, left, move it back, right, left, right, move it back, left. Okay, so when you do that cross mambo, I want you to move it back. Right, left, right, left, right, left. Then you're going to just rock it out. Right, left, right, left, right. Do that twice. Single, double, single, double. So you're just kind of chilling here. Single, double, single, double. So let's put it together with the side tap and the cross mambo, moving it back and then rocking it out, single, double. 5, 6, 7, 8. Tap side, back, right, left, right side, back, left, cross, right, left, triple step, left, right, triple step. Rock it out. Single, double, single, double. Okay, from here, you're going to do a sailor step. Okay, you're going to do 2 sailor steps. So you sail it, then you're going to do a quarter turn to this wall. Sailor. From here, we're trying to get, oh, this is a 2-wall dance. I'm sorry, it's not a 4-wall dance. This is a 2-wall dance. My bad, 2-wall dance. And then we pivot and pivot to the next wall that's behind you. So when we here, we're trying to get to the wall behind us, okay? Because it's a 2-wall dance. So we do a sailor, right, left, right, right, left. From here, we do a pivot. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're just doing a quarter turn of 1, 2, 3, 4, and we at our next wall. So since we here, can we do it here? Put it all together. That's pretty much the dance. Tap to the side. Side, back, right, left, side, back, left, right, left. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Rock it out. Is single, single, double, double, single, single, sail right, turn to your left, and then pivot, pivot, pivot. So this is what I'm going to do. This is what I'm going to say. So when you tap to the side, back, right, right, side, back, left, right, left. I'm saying you're moving it up a little bit, okay? That's why when she does the cross mambo, she's moving it back. Because on this step here, we're moving it up a little bit. Side, back, right, side, back, left, right. Cross mambo, right, left, move it back. Left, right, left. Rock it out. Single, single, double, double, single, single. Quarter turn to your left, sailor, stay here, and pivot, pivot. And you start the dance over again. So let's put it to the count. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, tap it out. Yes, 1, 2, okay, excuse me. Let me tie my shoe. If I don't double tie it, I always step on my lace, shoelace. Okay, here we go. Side, back, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Left, 5, 6. I'm sorry. So that's muscle memory. The side, to tap to the side, then the back, because you want to tap to the side and in. Okay, 5, 6, 7, and 1. Back 2, 3, and 4. Out 5, back 6, 7, and 8. Cross 1, 2. Move it back. 3 and 4. Left 5, 6, 7, and 8. Rock 1, 2, 3, and 4. Left 5, 6, 7, and 8. 7 and 8. 7, 1 and 2. Turn 3 and 4. Pivot 5, 6, 7, 8. And we here at our wall. And we start the dance over. The 2-wall dance over. I say it's a 4-wall, but it's 2 walls, okay? Love journal, all right? Come dancing with me. I'm going to post the video at the end so we can dance with it to the music together. Make sure you leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Also, I want to see you at the NOLA Southern Experience. We're going to have a blast. If you've never been to a line dance event, take this opportunity to come to New Orleans. July the 11th through the 14th, 2024. Registration opens this year, June 1st, 2023. Visit our website at www.LMIUNOLA.com. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I will see you the next time.